EE Broadband is a home internet service that offers fiber broadband with features like Wi-Fi routers, fast speeds, and optional bundles with mobile plans. It's marketed as a reliable broadband solution with strong nationwide coverage. But the real question is, what doesn't the marketing say? Now, to be fair, EE is one of the UK's major telecom providers and offers dependable broadband for many households. However, your experience depends heavily on your location and the type of connection available. What it does well: fast fiber options. EE offers a range of broadband speeds suitable for streaming, gaming, and working from home. Mobile and broadband bundles. Existing EE mobile customers may receive discounts or additional benefits when bundling services. Where the hype falls apart: advertised speeds aren't guaranteed. Actual speeds vary depending on your address, network congestion, home setup, and whether you have full fiber or standard fiber. The cheapest plan isn't always the best value. Introductory offers may increase after the promotional period ends. Wi-Fi coverage depends on your home. Thick walls, larger properties, and interference can affect wireless performance regardless of your broadband speed. So, should you choose EE Broadband? Short answer: yes, if it's competitively priced and offers good service at your address. If you want reliable broadband and already use EE for your mobile service, bundling may provide good value. But it's worth comparing prices, contract terms, and available speeds with other providers before signing up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.